Good morning, family. Welcome to Green Juice this morning. Just wanted to share a recipe I'm using. I'm here in the Riviera Maya of Mexico, so maybe you won't use nopal cactus, but this is what I'm using in my green juice right now. As I'm using apio, celery. And so you need a high-speed blender, like a Vitamix or a Blendtec or something that's like a legit, like at least a half a horsepower to 2 horsepower to do celery well. I'm gonna fresh squeeze orange, and so I have an actual like citrus juicer that I'm gonna like pineapple, piña, jengibre, ginger, and so everybody's different. My partner actually just said that, you know, she's pregnant right now, and she's saying that it's starting to make her a little bit, she's getting some acid reflux, and so I'm making it gentler for her, but then I add a little bit more for me. And so generally, I would say like about a little bit less than an inch is like a good amount. This is probably a little too much for her right now, so I'm gonna cut it in half, and then I'm gonna add more in when I'm done. If you'd like it to be more spicy, or you're working on like lowering inflammation or like supporting your gut health, you could do more. You're just gonna find the right balance. Balancing your sweet, your spice, your bitter. Sometimes I'm using espinaca, spinach as well. And so we'll go ahead and put half in for now. And nopales, really good for digestion, for supporting peristalsis, the natural flow of our digestion. This one looks so healthy, it's so yummy, and it's got this yummy gelatinous fillet in the middle, and it just really supports the lining of the intestines. And so we get this yumminess. This is one thing that is not as accessible in California in terms of, I haven't seen it at grocery stores personally. Piña, some pineapple, and so it depends on, there's sometimes that I really like, I try to not put as much sugar in my juice, and sometimes I'm like doing only vegetables, or sometimes I'm doing just like less fruit. I'll be honest, like I just did like a pretty strong cleanse. I did a liver gallbladder flush, and I was taking some really strong herbs for digestion, and like haven't been doing caffeine or alcohol, and I was just like really mindful and doing minimal grains and sugar and not smoking, and just like working on just being really clean and clear. And right now, I kind of want a little more sweet. That's just what I'm like, it feels good. It feels like what I'm craving. And there's a difference between like just what the mind is craving and also like, what does your body need? Because the body's really intelligent. And so if we're like leaning into trusting our body's intelligence, we can give ourselves what we need. And piña, pineapple is really good for digestion as well. And it can support natural detoxing. And it tastes delicious. And so, this blender is already full with the cactus and the nopal. So I'm gonna blend it down a little bit to get it down. Turmeric. This is even more potent than ginger in terms of the taste. Some people don't really like the taste. I use it for the medicinal benefits. It's a really good anti-inflammatory as well. Lots of antioxidants, and but this one doesn't, to my understanding, this one doesn't affect her stomach quite as much. But you know, I'm just gonna I'll put my other half in later as well. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna juice this orange. I'm gonna add this in here, and I'm gonna blend it up. I'll add just a little splash of water for consistency, and generally speaking, just to make sure it's like a nice liquid. And yeah, just inviting you to find the morning beverage that's good for you. I think that having a vegetable-based smoothie in the morning is highly recommended. Like, so if you look at this, this is full with vegetables. There's a little bit of pineapple and ginger and turmeric on top, and I'm gonna make some fresh orange juice. You know, find what works for you. Spinach is great. Having spinach every day, I think it's good to have variants. So it's good to switch up what you're putting in your drink. I'll be honest, the foundation for this, we keep it pretty stable. However, we change a lot of other variants in our diet in terms of our lunches and dinners and things of that nature. And you know, she comes from being vegetarian. You know, I came from being an omnivore. We've gone through lots of different things. Moments of veganism I do for detoxing. However, I personally find that having a well-balanced diet based on having clean sourcing is what's optimal. Organic when available, wild, grass-fed, pasture-raised, foods that are going to support healing and anti-inflammatory. There are a lot of plants that actually cause inflammation. And so if you want to look up a really interesting link, I'll actually put it in the caption. Dr. Gundry, The Plant Paradox, is a book that changed my life. It's about 10 hours on audio, and it teaches you about lectins. Gluten is the most popular lectin out in the world right now. But there's a lot of other lectins right now that cause inflammation and can lead to leaky gut syndrome and a lot of other health issues like anxiety, depression. Like inflammation is the beginning of dis-ease. So ease is what we want, dis-ease. Inflammation is the beginning of any disease. And so when we can decrease inflammation in our body, systemically, holistically, we're gonna lead to so many other positive benefits. And so I just want to invite you to do your own research. Like what's coming to my mind right now is like cucumbers have lectins. It's like, oh, what? Cucumbers are healthy. You know, calabaza, zucchini, you know, I'll be honest, and we have both of those in our fridge right now. So I'm not gonna say you need to stay away from certain vegetables completely all the time. It's just to do your own research, practice, and to see what works for you. And so I'll just say, I love you, thank you for existing, inviting you to find your green drink. And if you wanna comment below, what do you put in your morning juice, smoothie, green drink? Love to share more. I say ciao for now. Aho, amen, ashe, namaste. And I pray you have a beautiful, blessed remainder of your day.